In a world where innovation meets sophistication, where technology dances with elegance, a new icon emerges crafted to elevate your journey, redefine your space, and connect you with the future. This is more than just a car, it's a revolution in motion. Welcome to the Smart 5, where premium meets practical and luxury embraces the everyday. Imagine a drive where every moment is tailored to you, where every detail speaks of meticulous craftsmanship, and where the cityscape becomes your playground. The Smart 5 isn't just an SUV, it's your partner in exploration, your companion in discovery. With every curve, every line, designed to catch the eye, and every innovation crafted to anticipate your needs, this is the next step in the evolution of smart living. Feel the power of electric performance, where silence speaks louder than words. The Smart 5 glides through the urban jungle with the grace of a panther, the precision of an artist. Agile, responsive, effortless. Every drive becomes an experience, every journey a statement. This is the power of smart engineering, a harmonious blend of strength and sustainability. Step inside, and you'll find a sanctuary of comfort and style. The cabin is your refuge, where cutting-edge technology meets human-centric design. From the intuitive digital cockpit to the panoramic views that blur the line between inside and out, this is where you reconnect with the road, with the world, with yourself. Every feature, every finish speaks to a commitment to quality, a dedication to detail that elevates your driving experience to new heights. But the Smart 5 is more than a masterpiece of design, it's a promise to the future. A future where driving is not just about getting from A to B, but about the joy of the journey, the thrill of the ride. A future where connectivity keeps you in touch with what matters most, and where sustainability is not an option, but a given. This is the Smart 5, where your journey meets the future. Embrace the new era of mobility, where every drive is a revelation, every destination an opportunity to experience something extraordinary. The world is waiting, the future is here, and it's smarter than ever. Smart 5. The first ever premium mid-size SUV from Smart.